Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we do have some more updates from the latest medium. Satoshi Kusuma provides updates on NFTs, and we can see here our 10,000 SHIB NFTs are ready for consumption. The name has been chosen. I'll reward the winner at the release of the unique set. So they did in fact say it's coming very soon, which is something I'm super excited for. We have a few extra rare and special NFTs from some unique moments in our journey from this past year. I can't wait. So these NFTs will contribute towards a larger, bigger burn. And something I'm really excited for, which you probably missed, and thank you so much for dropping a like, with the purchase of Garrett's $250,000 NFT, we have an amazing laser sculpture that will be placed in a physical location. But where Garrett and I have been discussing possible options as we look for a perfect location, Musema in Beverly Hills or top tier nightclub in Amsterdam. So it seems like, they will be having some connections to place these in a very specific location. And I do think Shiba Inu is a much bigger project than you might realize. We're trying to decide what will come to the community once we have the perfect location and agreement. And that is something I'm really excited for. But if we check over here, we can see that there's a lot more updates for SHIB. So SHIB will in fact grow. Can't wait for the market to go back up, as everybody is now patient on the charts, and a lot of people are expecting that we eat a few zeros, at least in the next few years. Honestly, investing in Shiba Inu, you're probably expecting at least some sort of a price point, at least eating a few zeros. But maybe when Ethereum 2.0 fixes the stupid high fees to do anything, maybe its value will rise. But having to pull out so long after a couple of unexpected bills, I have pulled out my SHIB for the time being. Gotta take of number one, my daughter, myself, and a lot of us are investing for a financial independence. And I do hope everyone achieves that as we are coming into more news. This is such a fantastic idea. Animated videos or comics. This is what's new in the Shiba Inu community. SHIB grows with the community ideas such as this. And hey, SHIB token, look at what we've done. Why is Satoshi Kusuma doing now? Is he writing a new article on Medium or preparing a speech? How he talks with Robinhood and Coinbase? Let's do that. Well, in fact, Satoshi has confirmed that they have not yet talked with Coinbase, that Coinbase is listing these coins out of their own free will. Shiba Inu is not paying anything to Robinhood to get Shiba Inu listed, but we invite all SHIB Army members to come up and script for an animated video or comic. So this is really awesome. Animated comics for new people invested into SHIB could be awesome. You can see the SHIB logo even here. And more of these could potentially mean that new investors come in that don't know much about crypto, but would due to this large demand of large holders, and could be potentially making a huge upswing to the price itself. SBF promotes the efficiency of misunderstood crypto derivatives. Now, something else that's growing, FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried says derivatives are necessary to bolster the liquidity and efficiency of the markets. So right now, a lot of changes are happening both for SHIB in the future, but people will know that derivatives trade more volume in crypto than spot, which is true, but that is true of every asset class in the world. So right now, we still need to catch up, as Shiba Inu is only a 3 billion market. If it can reach a 100 billion market, it can go at least 30x up, it can go 32x up, and that will mean that anyone who has, for example, $1,000 invested into SHIB will get back $32,000. And then you even have the Shiba Swap rewards, you have the Bone rewards, all of that would amazingly grow. And in crypto, these things do grow fast, as Ethereum is growing really fast, as the market will be growing in the next few months. And September, we might not be seeing as much growth, but then after September, we'll be seeing a lot larger growth. Might have to sell 1 billion SHIB. It will leave me with 750 million due to Hurricane Ida, and we'll have power for 3 to 6 weeks. Like, people around the world are still investing very strong. And really awesome that everyone is helping each other. But the next thing we have to see, how much will Dogecoin grow? Now, how high can Naomi Osaka's love take Doge? And Naomi Osaka joins the growing list of celebrity Dogecoin bulls. And there's so many in the Dogecoin space, and that's why Dogecoin is growing a bit faster than Shiba Inu. If we can get a new celebrity endorsing SHIB, maybe even Elon Musk. Tom Brady has been giving speeches about his Bitcoin, laser eyes at crypto conferences, but an athlete is making a leap into crypto via Dogecoin and spurring interest in Dogecoin price predictions. Naomi Osaka is the first tennis star to be all in on crypto, and hopefully we can see, something that happened with Dogecoin, that we can see that happening for Shiba Inu, because Dogecoin had its success. It's a 30 to 40 billion market, but Shiba Inu right now is 1/10 of that. So if we can see Dogecoin grow, there's a lot of big investors in Dogecoin because it's actually the people's coin. And a lot of people are saying, well, Shiba Inu is another copy. But this is not, in fact, true, as a lot of people are investing into Shiba Inu for a specific reason. Many have been pouring into digital currency through lucrative partnerships, which often are accommodated by curated portfolios of high-growth cryptocurrencies. Osaka reveals that she found an interest in the space through crypto Twitter, and we can see reveals Osaka's interest in cryptocurrency, particularly with Dogecoin. I know that online everything is getting bigger. I remember reading about Dogecoin. Now the tennis powerhouse is entering into the non-fungible token sphere, revealing a collection of tennis tokens, but investors can buy ahead of the US Open. So Dogecoin price predictions come into fold as Osaka joins both. So Dogecoin growing, and you can see all the prices over here, means Shiba Inu will also grow. So this is why I'm talking about Dogecoin so much. We are friends with Dogecoin, and with Dogecoin growing, we're going to be seeing SHIB's growth as well. With this news, let's take a look at some of the Dogecoin price predictions and see where this coin is heading. And you can see here, big growth over here. But MetaMask surpasses 10 million monthly active users as DeFi continues to surge. Now, DeFi is growing quickly once again, and demand for non-custodial wallets continue to surge amid the DeFi and NFT booms. Like 10 million people on MetaMask is not that much as you might expect. I do think there will be a lot more, but that active monthly users have grown 19-fold in just over a year. There was way less users, and I think this will go to 100 million at some point, as MetaMask is still super early. Ethereum wallet and browser extension MetaMask achieved another major milestone in August, and 10 million users, 10 million active users is a lot. Right now on Shiba Inu, we have about 640,000 holders, so you can expect that the percentage of that is using MetaMask. And active user base topped 10 million for the first time, further highlighting the growing demand for DeFi assets. So Shiba Swap, Uniswap, all that is growing, but also cryptocurrencies are growing as a whole. More and more people are coming into crypto really fast, as they know crypto will be growing more. As Cointelegraph reported, MetaMask registered its 1 million monthly active user in October 2020, up from 545,000 in July of the same year. Much of that growth was attributed to the so-called DeFi summer that swept the crypto project in mid-2020. Although DeFi shows the signs of cooling later in the year, it remains one of the hottest corners of the cryptocurrency market. At the time of writing, more than 155 billion in total value has been locked into the DeFi ecosystem. Total value locked refers to the asset currently being staked on a specific DeFi protocol. As Cointelegraph recently reported, liquidity market protocol Banqi saw its total value locked eclipse 1 billion less than a week after launching. Now, beyond Ethereum, DeFi communities appear to be proliferating on other chains as well. Binance Smart Chain and Polygon have registered considerable growth in the recent months thanks to the lower fees and improved efficiency. So this is really awesome. A lot of people coming in, MetaMask giving a huge boost, a lot of money coming in as well, with a lot of exposure. So there's still a lot of money coming into crypto, and with more MetaMask users means also more SHIB users. And Ethereum could at some point overgrow Bitcoin. It could overtake Bitcoin. And with that being said, if we see that, we could see Ethereum's huge price boost. Is Bitcoin's crypto's flagship prepared to land off Ethereum with its incredible network value, rich community, and pace of innovation? And it's not yet for sure, but if Ethereum grows, we could be seeing Shiba Inu eating a zero, or maybe even 2 zeros, because Ethereum and we as Shiba Inu holders are bound to Ethereum, and we're bound to Dogecoin. If I had to pin it on one thing, I would say that Ethereum needs the super cycle double bubble thesis to play out. That should allow for its various sectors to continue prospering in a way that won't be possible in a bear market, which will likely be bearish for Ethereum relative to Bitcoin, as we have seen historically. So we are still dependent to Ethereum's prices, as we're a super low coin. But in the following years, all of these countries that are coming in, maybe Venezuela will accept us as a legal tender at some point. Hopefully, they already have their own coin. But who knows? All of these countries, especially the poorer countries, the ones that bring in less of the income, could start accepting other cryptocurrencies. And if Shiba Inu hits a 300 billion market cap, which is going to be super hard, that means it would have to 100x, but then it would be the size of Ethereum, and Ethereum would be at a 2-3 trillion market. We could be seeing a massive growth for all of these coins, especially for SHIB. And all these meme coins still have a lot of uses, because we're finally seeing the meme coins without any utility dying, while other meme coins are growing fast. Now, Venezuela is launching their digital currency in October and cut 6 zeros from its currency. And I really am excited, because I do think Shiba Inu could potentially grow and see massive numbers as more and more adoption is starting to happen. And with this big adoption, the countries will need meme coins, or just coins that have utility. A lot of people are saying Shiba Inu has no utility, but that is not true. We're getting Shibarium, we're getting the NFTs, and we're getting everything else. Thank you so much for watching, and peace, everyone.